Their burger, chips, chicken, juice, hot dog, Russian, drinky mates, iliri boosti soterite. Station 3. Your game begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's no waiting, my man. Let's go. Station 2, 1 minute remaining. Station 2, 30 seconds remaining to begin your game. With 4 minutes remaining on Station 1, the score 1-0. Station 2 game has officially begun. Station 3, 0-0. All right, we have a winner for station number 1. Kumahobana Lazi and Makabasi. Lazi and Makabase. Can I get Makabas? Give Makabase. Lazi versus Makabase at station 1. Lazi and Makabase at station 1. Lazi, Makabase, station 1. Can we please have a cable at station 1? Can we please have a cable station 1?
Rolling up that by Molly, I'm a rasta. She wanna
Station 220. Station 330. Please remember that after you play your game, come to the backstage for a hamper. Bokang. Bokang, please report to the backstage. Bokang. Jaime, can you report to the backstage? If you lost this round, please don't leave just yet. Come get yourself a hamper. Come to the backstage. Hello to lose. I'm so time go loser. Come out to a hamper on backstage, ne?
Told that pussy she don't know nothing about him and they fuck this fame up. We want the same mud, not the green, my nigga, the same mud. Mommy, you a thigh. I don't want shots. Brother, you a rat. My brother. Twin, you a pet. Running through sex. Hey. Louis V. Slacks. Herman Trench. Herman. Swim pool heated. Ooh. Yeah, she ain't trying to eat it. She ain't trying to what? Shawty, you can beat it. 22 liter, ride a two-seater, round with an eater. Calling me Poppy, I'm calling her mommy, and senorita. I ain't been cocky, but I've been putting on Essence Beepers. Fuck me good the first day, a nigga might keep her. Blowing money fast like a fucking cheetah. I've been in the trenches filled with hyenas. Boo got a spider, whipping that bitch from the side. Money on money, these millions, you dig? I'm spending this shit on my bitch and my kids. I'm sending the bit, not the beans. This motherfucker pink slip, nigga, no rent. I don't want you gonna do nothing if I gotta be the one tell you to spend. These fuck niggas telling for nothing, and I gotta be the one calling them friends. Oh God. Drop top Rolls Royce, I don't know the kind, I don't know the name of it. Fuck this little bitch last night and this morning, but I don't know the name of it. She told that pussy she don't know nothing about him, and they fuck this fame up. We want the same mud, not the green, my nigga, the same mud.
You identify my bitches with APs. She ain't got an AP, she is not mine.
You cold. He cold.
She belongs to the streets.
Spoil little bitch went petty. Clothes go snake shit Betty. Transport far and go slatty. Dogging out the hole like Shaggy. Coulda went spit, went caddy. Pull up, coulda, we ready.
All right, it looks like the final score of Station 3-3-0. Go back home on that Game Boy versus Quincy. Milton versus Quincy, please. Milton versus Quincy. Can I see Milton and Quincy at station number 3, please?
I'm spending this shit on my bitch and my kids. I'm sending the bit, not the beans. This motherfucker pink slip, nigga, no rent. I don't want you gonna do nothing if I gotta be the one tell you to spend. These fuck niggas telling for nothing, and I gotta be the one calling them friend.
Station 2, just hold on for 1 second, eh? Bokang, where you at, Bokang? Bokang, report, Bokang, report.
She told that pussy she don't know nothing about him, and they fuck this fame up.
All right, Milton, Quincy, 3 minutes to begin your game.
I'm spending this shit on my bitch and my kids. I'm sending the bit, not the beans. This motherfucker pink slip, nigga, no rent. I don't want you gonna do nothing if I gotta be the one tell you to spend. These fuck niggas telling for nothing, and I gotta be the one calling them friends. $100 million, dang shit. Pretty shit, I got them like a list. 60 million hunters like I'm Nips. Me and white boys talking billies. 9 tray, bro, to them some billies. Pretty shit, I got a rockin' all them. My carbon fiber kitted, it's a spider.
Station 1 have begun their game at 0-0, both playing for Real Madrid. Station 2 made a mistake. They're supposed to go for penalties. Now it looks like all right, Station 2, we're gonna go for golden goal. A mistake was made, but don't worry about it. We good now. Please remember, halaka drawa. You go for penalties. Raju manana gents. Hala drawa gidi pena ne. I say extra time. I say golden goal gidi pena. This here is an exception or was a mistake. Station 3, you have 2 minutes to begin your game. Senior and Resistor Sean. Resistor Sean and Senior. Please be on standby. Resistor Sean. Senior. Please be on standby. Station 3, you have 1 minute to begin your game. Station 3, 1 minute to begin your game. Congratulations to our winner. Please go to the backstage at Station 2. Go by Senior and Resistor Sean at Station 2. Senior and Resistor Sean. Please go to station number 2. Senior versus Resistor Sean. Station number 3, you have 30 seconds left. Remember, if you lose a game, please go to the backstage with the winner and you will be rewarded with a hamper. Senior, Senior, we need you at station number 2. Senior. All right, 2-0 at station 1. 2-0 at station 1. Station 3, your game begins in 5, 4, 3, 2. You can begin your match. Station 3, you know the rules, gentlemen.
I'm him, what I'ma hate for me, myself and I, they hate on us. It's me and Glizzock, she waiting on us. I've been running wild since a jit. Grandma never raised a bitch. Jumped off the push, picked up a stick. 14 turned into the Grinch. You must ain't heard I take your shit. Nan that Glizzock took your bitch. Pussy ass nigga better play with his clip. I don't know what you thought, but that ain't that. I've been running wild since a jit. Grandma never raised a bitch. Jumped off the push, picked up a stick. 14 turned into the Grinch. You must ain't heard I take your shit. Nan that Glizzock took your bitch. Pussy ass nigga better play with his
HT Giuliano and Sino De Breezy. HT Giuliano, Sino De Breezy. HT Giuliano, Sino De Breezy. Please be on standby. Station 2, you have 2 minutes remaining to begin your game. Station 1, the score 2-0. Gopahomana, HT Giuliano and Sino De Breezy. Please be on standby. You'll be occupying Station 1.
bet that your bone getting buried. In the woods, we got hogs and coyotes. They eat up dead bodies, don't care about no evidence. Everybody out here really ready to kill you. Black, we ain't tripping about spinning. The jury, the cars, the clothes, the hoes, everything that y'all do, we invented it. The bitches out here eat the meat off the bone, they gon' swallow them kids, I ain't spitting it. Hey, bitch off the text, everybody ran that bitch, keep a whip.
HT Giuliano, Senor De Breezy, be on standby.
Bitch off the text, we throwing bows on a big body shit.
The game has commenced for station number 200. Station 120. Station 310.
Everybody got some guns in the couch. Everybody got some goals in their mouth. Everybody got a speaker system. Put a beat in their trunk while they cruise down the block. Cause they serving their war for it. Out here in the south, they're killing. They'll really go to war for it. Niggas kicking your door for it. Yeah, we busting your ass. You get put on the floor for it. At the top, where I'm putting my name at. I'ma claim it. I'm coming for greatness. On the block where the kid used to hang. Get clutching my pipe. Really ready to bang that. Ayy, bitch off the text. Everybody ran that bitch. Keep a whip. Everybody ran that bitch. Used to step. Stay out the way. Cause this shit can get deadly. Ayy, bitch off the text. We throwing bows on a big body Chevy. Swinging the slab like defenders were heavy. We pass shit on sight, better cut out your steering, bitch.
KJ let the beat drop.
Yeah, you feel me? Yeah. That bitch hard. Let's get right there. I'm hot, jury on throwing on me. Bad bitches reaching, clawing on me. Glocks up under my Montclair. If they saw it on me, that's a charge on me. No, I ain't ducking no rig. When they got me a AP like fuck up a tick, I'm investing right now. I can't fuck up a chick, 30K for a feature. I won't break a sweat. I was throwing rocks at the penitentiary. Now I'm throwing rocks in the presidential. Sky dweller, high yellow. VVS, it look like lemon pepper. And I'm catching bombs like Odell Beckham. I just sent 100 like I mailed a letter. I already sold them. I ain't gotta sell them. Get your shit together. Knew my jealous sweater 4K. She got a big old ass, no waist. She wanna fuck, I told her okay. She won't
HT Giuliano, Senor De Breezy, please occupy station 1. HT Giuliano, Senor De Breezy to station 1.
You a blood or a BD? Sign in the L. You a crip or a peon? 500 some shots out the neon. Get to a nigga ass like a refund. Strip, pull up in the Nissan. Get to him back to back like a rerun. Pick a nigga ass off like Dion. Sanders, let me get that. Lights out, no talk. We can do whatever right now. Pop off, whole club get wiped out. No thought. Everybody with me iced out. Turn the motherfucking lights on. Roof gone, no talk. Red bitch in a blue thong, no bra.
All right, there's some action at station 2. 2-0 is the score. Station 3-3-0. Station 1 is on standby with 2 minutes remaining before they start their games. Please don't forget that food is available right outside. There's burgers, Russian chips, and so much more. If you're joining us right now, welcome to Gaming with Remmogo, powered by Orange. Also proudly supported by Hoko, Remmogo Visuals, and Orange is here.
People through the signs looking in their faces. Yeah, crazy. I really perfected my craft inside of a basement. Brand new go yard bag. I'm stuffing that bitch with them dead faces. Yeah, I took a dump on they ass. Shitting on niggas, no defecation. Yeah, crazy. I dropped out of school. This rap shit came with no education. Yeah, I done saw everything I used to want to see. I've been a whole new place. Body and shit, I cannot be patient. You niggas be workers, you niggas be slaves. Remember when I didn't have me a deal? Crazy part, I still felt like I made it. Yeah, I'm having motion from selling them bags, but I'm still saving. Yeah, I'm only running behind the bag, hunting and chasing. Yeah, moving them elbows right out the window. We chop out a vacancy. Damn, I heard a nigga a killer, a taker, but nobody taking my shit. I'm not with hating at all. I ain't faking this shit. I be taking the risk. I got a beam on the front of the Glock. I'm like, how the fuck I'm about to miss? No way a bitch got a baby by me, cause she only was sucking my dick. You was the nigga was loving and trusting her, I was just fucking a bitch. I get the W, I want the team E. Whole lot of bitches, I'm fucking and training. Like Lil Key, my bitches be nameless. I'm in her mouth like veneers retainers. Bitches gon' do what they want, can't change. Anyone still out the pack, I'ma hang them. Know where I'm selling this shit to a stranger. Yeah, I learned how to study people through the signs, looking in their faces. Yeah, crazy, I really perfected my craft inside of a basement. Yeah, brand new go yard bag, I'm stuffing that bitch with them dead faces. Yeah, I took a dump on they ass, shitting on niggas, no defecation. Yeah, crazy, I dropped out of school, this rap shit came with no education. Yeah, I done saw everything I used to wanna see, I've been a whole new place. Baddie and shit, I could not be patient. You niggas be workers, you niggas be slaves. Remember when I didn't have me a deal? Crazy part, I still felt like I made.
I come straight out the block, I fucked around, got me a deal. Let one of these 4 nigga play, I probably get a free kill. I'm gonna kill me by myself, I won't put this shit on your head. Yeah, my dog called a 5, I called a 10, they need a free, I got a fed. Shit, we gon' stompin' on shit, we gon' march. In the hood, try hit me with arson. I put these boxes in the ledger like Carter. Blow with the street, going through 'em like water. Whatever you winning, know we on it. I put this shit on my dad and my mama. I grab the whip, I ain't trending shit karma. No, we gon' first and then be like Obama. That be bad, but I ain't chum, I don't really want no. I made 100 when I robbed this on my mama. The boy the fed, they tellin' jail ain't true, we don't know. How paying buying before I sang, go ask my partner.
Yeah, I learned how to study people through the signs, looking in their faces. Yeah, crazy, I really perfected my craft inside of a basement. Yeah, brand new go yard bag, I'm stuffing that bitch with them dead faces. Yeah, I took a dump on they ass, shitting on niggas, no defecation. Yeah, crazy, I dropped out of school, this rap shit came with no education. Yeah, I done saw everything I used to wanna see, I've been a whole new place. Baddie and shit, I could not be patient. You niggas be workers, you niggas be slaves. Remember when I didn't have me a deal? Crazy part, I still felt like I made it.
Yeah, we a fucking family. Don't call us a gang. You already know how we're rocking on this song. Gang, if verses jump, bet I'ma jump. If they say war, then I'm up front. I won't let none of my brothers get touched. They got them down and I'm coming in clutch. Now, pass it, I'm scoring a touchdown. If any of them boys wanna fuck round, anything new's getting sus. Now, it used to be you, but it's us. Now, they hear 1-4, best know that's more than a name. We on some family shit, mind you, that's more than a game. I'm sharing food with drillers and I got them all on stage. And I'm going in and locking it down as if I'm in the paint. Yeah. 1-4, 1-4.
Leo, where you at? Ushe, where you at? Please be on standby, ne? Yeah, actually, yes, please occupy station 3. Leo, station 3. Can we please have the winners from station 3 and the loser come to the backstage? The winner and the loser of station 3, please come to the backstage. Can we please have a cable on station number 3? Cable, station number 3. Cable to station 3.
I'm sharing food with drillers and I got them all on stage. And I'm going in and locking it down as if I'm in the paint.
See, I'm for the gang, risking it all for my brothers, my fam. And we're living different like we had the same. I pray that free all of my brothers in chains. Free of my brothers, my shooters. Boy, better run, we're picking and choosing. Don't chat on my name with them broomers. Lick up the gang, we'll see you'll be losing. Try to run up, now he's bleeding out. We're villain boys that you hear about. Will never see me take the easy route. Or talk on the name cause I need the car. Scaling a rip like Beyblade. They be on a detour, I made one hand in the air, no. Shooting them clips like Rayjo. Trying to get dogs like Pope.
Say he 1-4, best know that's more than a name. We on some family shit, mind you, that's more than a game. I'm sharing food with drillers and I got them all on stage. And I'm going in and locking it down as if I'm in the paint. Yeah, we a fucking family. Don't call us a gang. Yeah, we a fucking family. Don't call us a gang.
Looking at you different cause you came up. Never looked at you as nothing, never seen it coming. Things change when a nigga get his change up. Now your name is buzzing, everybody what's the deal? Niggas, they be looking like it's so surreal. Just a dot nigga with a passion still, and the skills that I got give me massive appeal. Gotta go hard, don't slack for real. I got a stack of bills on my hand. I did it myself, I'm a mastermind, and I'm not revealing my plans. I'm plotting for some molar. These amateurs ain't get it right. Y'all should get some goals, start investing in a better life. Bitches that I hollered at, now they tryna holler back. Now I got them looking at me different, got me thinking like, they looking at you different cause you came up. Never looked at you as nothing
Liwa.
coming. Things change when a nigga get his change up. Now your name is buzzing, everybody saying something. Boy, you got the glow. They looking at the glow. Ay, no jewelry on, you just shining from the glow. Ay, baby, hey, cause they love it just to see you down. But I'm growing, so I hope you niggas see me now. Drop my old check.
Quincy
New one.
and Lewa.
Actually, I'm lying.
Quincy,
Got a few of them.
Lewa, please occupy station number 2.
Was used to waiting. If I wanted it ASAP, I don't play that. I got moves to make and I cannot be stagnant. People treating me different now when I'm feeling good, so I'm bragging. My family eating, we doing better. They see me glow when I'm passing. Seeing niggas I used to know when I'm wondering what happened. Thinking about it, I'm laughing. Now they jealous, fuck it though. I was getting to it, homie, you pay. Do what you gotta for them dollars, you know the drizzle. Get it how you live, tell your people get focused with you. Doing what I love, so I'm putting that spark up in you. And you could do it too, homie, the glow is just artificial, let's get it. They looking at you different cause you came up. Never looked at you as nothing, never seen it coming. Things change when a nigga get his change up. Now your name is buzzing, everybody saying something. Boy, you got the glow. They looking at the glow. Ay, no jewelry on, you just shining from the glow. Ay, baby, hey, cause they love it just to see you down. But I'm growing, so I hope you niggas see me now. I got that glow, dog. You already know, dog. I got that glow, dog. Me and all my road dogs. Ay, had a dream, now I live it out. They looking at me different, got me thinking like.
Versus Uche. Who here is Team Leo? Who's Team Leo? Team Leo, give a man. Hannah, teammate. Okay, I see you. Team Leo. Who? At the big screen. Big screen. This screen. LB versus FME, and then we have Ezra Neethings versus FME. Ezra, you ready? Say your prayers, my man. It's about to get real. Hey, man, Peter DJ. Oh, the challenger LB. LB. Peter DJ is challenging you. LB. Peter DJ wants to challenge you. All right, we got LB versus Pete the DJ. All right, come on, call it out, Mo Station 3. Can I please have a cable at Station 3? A cable for Station 3. Cable, Station 3. Cable, Station 3. What's the score? What's the score, Mo Station 3? The score is still 0-0. Play. Can you please come to Station 3? Play, please come to Station 3. Play, report to Station 3. All right, it's 1-0. Station 3, Leo 1, Ushe 0. Liwa and Quincy. Quincy and Liwa, can you please occupy station number 1? Liwa and Quincy, please occupy station number 1. Liwa and Quincy, station number 1.
And it's all because I heard you say. And it's all because I heard you say. And it's all because I walked your way. And it's all because I walked your way. And I heard you say, I heard you say, and I heard you say, I heard you say, and I heard you say, I heard you say, I heard you say, I heard you say, and I heard you say, I heard you say, and I heard you say, and I heard you say, I heard you say, I heard you say, I heard you say.
Station number 3 is lit. It looks like we have 2 to Leo, 0 to the undisputed champ, Ushe. Mad Dog and Lord Orox, please occupy station number 2. Mad Dog, Lord Orox, report to station number 2. Mad Dog, Lord Orox, station number 2. I repeat, Mad Dog, Lord Orox, station number 2. Play, please report to station number 2. Play, please report to station number 2. All right, the game just got tighter at station 3. 2-1. Okay, Leo. Okay, let's go back to the game. 3-1 to Leo at station 3. Gentlemen, your game can begin. Station 2, you have 2 minutes left. Station 2, 2 minutes left. Bokang, please report to Station 2. Bokang to Station 2. Station 3, 3-1 to Real Madrid versus France. 3-1. With only a few seconds left, can Ushe recover? At least give us a draw for penalties, or will Leo be taking this one home? Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to have a winner, and the winner is Leo! Congratulations to Leo, winning that game 3-1 to Ushe. Leo and Ushe, please report to the backstage. Leo, Ushe, please report to the backstage. Leo, Ushe, please report to the backstage. Bokang, please report to station number 2. Bokang to station number 2. Can we please have Lazi and Madli at station number 2? I mean station number 3. Lazi, oh shit. Lazi and Madli to station number 3. Lazi, Madli. Lazi, Madli, report to station number 3. Lazi versus Madli at station number 3. Station number 2, your game begins. Lazi versus Madli. Can I get Madli? Get Madli, can I get Madli? Lazi versus Madli. Lazi in the house. Lazi, you guys. Give me a papa, 100%. Madli. Can I say Madli? Madli, Madli, Madli. Report to station 3. Madli, station 3. Brian Ilunga. Senior Debrizi. Senior Debrizi, please report to station number 3. 100%. Station 2, are you guys ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The score at station 1 is 1-0. Station 2 just began their game. Station 3, you know the drill. 3 minutes, I get it. What's that saying? What's that 2 minutes? Hey, yo, Leo, don't go too far. Leo, don't go too far. Sean Libudi, please be on standby. Sean Libudi. Sean, okay, Sean, let me see your hand in the air. Sean, where you at? Sean, where you at? Sean Libudi, please be on standby. Congratulations to the winner at Station 1. Both of you, please come this side to the backstage, né? Backstage. Can I please have Sean Libudi? Sean, please come to Station 1. Sean, Station 1. Hey, yo, Sean. Leo. Pete the DJ, please be on standby. LB, Lebois Moroueng, please be on standby. LB, be on standby. Pete the DJ, be on standby for our celebrity games. They chose that they're playing FIFA. LB, please be on standby. Ezra, you're up, Papa. D1. Otsana le Ezra mfana. Banna ba rapeletswe. Ezra. Okay, now Peter DJ actually. Ne had the ball thing. So Peter DJ. Oui, le gars Pete. Où sourit le Pete? Pete. Hey, la Peter. Peter DJ, Le Bon Morouet, report for the celebrity game off. Bokang, please report. Ezra Neethings, please report to the main stage. Ezra Neethings, main stage.
gonna celebrate, yeah. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate, yeah. Oh yeah. One more time. One more time. One more time. One more time.
Oh, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we have a celebrity game in our hands. LB from Yarone FM versus Pete from FME DJs. Aratumel into the main stage. Remonora Huina Mang between the two. LB of Yarone FM versus Pete the DJ of FME DJs. Ezra Neethings versus Pete the DJ. Babesh and Tarabesh.
You have some problems, you need God to solve them. You get down on your knees and pray. When is He coming through? When will He answer you? Well, it may not be right away, but in the meantime, just keep your mind in a positive attitude. And
it's not that big. Come on. It's all these cameras.
start praising.
It's not much of a big
He's
deal.
gonna see you through. Here's
on.
what you got to do. Praise
It's not like,
Him.
the Ballon d'Or or something. Come on.
Your situation turns around. You gotta lift up your
All right, it looks like we have a celebrity game in our hands. Pete the DJ, why do you look nervous, buddy? Why do you look nervous? Even though what he left for. Ay. Also, you know, Shana. Ezra. Was that so you tell it happened to how I get a mister? Or Shapo Regi? I sepel to it. Yeah, how a bit, hella. Fan square. Ezra Neethings versus FME DJ Celebrity Games. While we take our break before we get into the semi-finals of today's tournament. Let's give it up for Ezra Neethings and Pete the DJ. Arabeshe, Udlo Huina Mawanada. Ezra Aroho Besa 5-0. Pete. Ezra Aroho Besa 5-0. When are we? What of Meta 10? In the meantime, can I see Sean and Leo? Sean and Leo, can I please see you?
I don't want to break this. I want my punya. Yes, I don't want to really miss.
fit.
Ezra born. Think about it.
Yeah.
Our brothers at the end of the day. So,
Are we in the same? Are we in the same baby?
born.
We're not winning anything, so relax. Mana wapesa na ngeba kwa
Come on. But Ezra like that.
Samga ka ba ho.
Oscar Chingta.
Are.
Singing you nyana nyana. Hush.
Game make mo tswe guy. 3 ba.
3 minutes.
3 ke warm up. Light stop. I think I'm good with this type of tactic. Hey, very slow. Hey. Hey. Irala. Head is very slow.
Wana wababua mba.
Waro Irala. Ira.
Hadi.
Agala one.
I'm a pay.
Iranse cinnamon.
Why no you run your thing?
Iranse. Kana gedi.
Kana gedi.
Hey.
Banganya. Agame.
Metingana oh.
When the last time you played this? Kema bani.
Now, Outdoor Rosamiki.
1 year ago. Karwe.
Nice it's a me.
Bondo guy, hey, we banganyo. What are one?
Gentlemen, it's gonna live all your live on Facebook. C'est le siguang. Kalisi karalo. Hey, la we ready setting saying, Mr. Tamega give. I wanna pita iketlile rawai. And we to ragiwa el. Are contate. All right, it's Ezra Neethings versus Pete the DJ of FME DJs. Liverpool versus Real Madrid. Otoba wanna be ready city.
Ready,
Ladies and ready. Tumetan extra. What tumetan extra? Tumetan tamana natali.
Hey man, on a little intro. Let's do the intro. We are the champions. Yo, okay. Are.
And the game has begun. Ezra Neethings versus Pete the DJ. Hato losang orang kalau botol la. La meti. Hogorile bang. Keep it.
Ezra.
It is 1-0 Liverpool to Real Madrid. Ezra Neethings 1. Pete the DJ 0.
Fuck. No, there's something wrong.
2-0 Ezra Neethings, 2 Pete the DJ, 0.
pele mona ke taba Thousand. Mona ela rum tago tshameka yang Ezra mapi kanti eba ke taba ga kae mo ara o ira gala nama Ezra no o ira ka bo kanti batho bana mo Ezra there's something wrong kanti mo bala bala mo Ezra kita ba ga ma
Paro ya usta wa kiro karawi.
Mana get sama gari o di still
Oh. What happened? Already very mal vale. Ow.
What's happening?
Piraya no. Pira cheat.
Buena. That's why I can take a step over the right thing, man. Ezra, yar tuga narwan. You talk on air. Eish. Man. Tatana ke paka practice ra.
What's the score? Ezra Neethings versus Pete the DJ. As we draw closer to the end of the first half, 2-0 with Liverpool leading. That is Ezra Neethings. At 2-0 versus Pete the DJ.
Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Yeah, o batla go mpetsa matata a go batla go mpetsa.
No.
Bon.
What is race?
Bon.
I play better when I'm quiet.
I wanna quiet.
I like to something like it. Salah. Mohamed Salah.
Akwa tumele kwa mo. Hey. pele. Oh. Mana gis ki bone goli ala iti. Hey. Ira naman.
Aw man, Pete. Sanzo Remmogo 0. Pete the DJ.
Ah, hey, how? Hey. Ona le bana nyana.
Pete.
Kana mniki tu ka boa ka right.
Wait, so Pete the DJ, wait, passes Pete the DJ, DJ, yo, that one dribble, I can't wait, having go Pete the DJ, go Pelejana, about a back pass at that day, or about a skill, Fana. I know, so get red card, banana red card, referee.
Eh? Ah.
Hey, man, I beat out the Mola fan.
Tata na kitoka aware weke na comfortable. Che. 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 Sama. Ezra wani nyana yala chamuna bohol. Ah. Tango. Ah. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow. Ah. 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 Oh. Ante naman, bakit basa makin naman? Ah, ba makin. This sucks. Bonang guys. So let's bonang say. It was.
Oh, come on.
Boy, I'm more real life thing. Ezra, do you know how to play football?
Yeah.
Pete, when I used to tell him,
Yeah, basketball.
hey, when I was basketball, the check, you got a fan, I got a level. Ay. Na hats, fan, Game I see hele, Pete. Pete, game I see hele, what guy? Kara FMB, ba 500 taka mo won. How who lose one? Number 499 was it. Tsena mister, he tell what har tswa hot having a le bo. Ay. O tsena la ro to je so me di go.
Mo chenjua yana mun.
Ay.
Orindi mana.
Congratulations to Ezra Neethings winning 3-0. Ezra Neethings are eating FME DJ 3. One for D-Bond, one for Pete, one for Josie. Can I please get Leboa, LB Murueng, and D-Bond? Areko. Ay. LB has her own controller, but yeah. Oh, you're in for it. Is Pink even crazy? LB versus FME DJs. FME have already lost one.
Kana banele ba sa mke mo teaming e one.
Rematch,
You want a rematch?
Give me 22. Not tight. Sprint digi sayır. Sprint digi sayır.
Why would I lie to you? It's R2, dog. Show me. Legendary. I don't want to play legendary. Legendary. You guys are trying to get killed. You want to play legendary? Let's play pro. Ayo ka. When are you eating? When are you eating ka?
Devon versus LB. Let me hear some predictions. What's your prediction? Who's winning?
Can I get that to me about study over
LB is winning 3-1. That's our first prediction of the day. MC Nate. Talk about prediction now. How win a manga wakai.
She came with her own controller, so I mean.
LB, MC Nate Arobi naga 3. D1 gato tshwara 0. Ezra, as the reigning champion of the Celebrity Games, what's your prediction for LB versus D1?
I think it's gonna be -1 over -3.
Ezra, it doesn't matter. He's gonna whip whoever wins here. I'm gonna get pen. Bona, Bonway, how about the Horaga? How about the Horaga? Hello. Tobeta isosceles. Out. Rectangle, how about the block out?
I have an injured player.
Over, like how about the whole through ball out? Line is straight, you know, get short. How come a line here and a line get short?
Relate to Joe.
No, que no volvemos a hacer un ya. No, que santi que le moja dueña na yana ka buitso bana. sa tsamaye le batho. Ba ke tshwaragane le makgapa, ha?
Things are bad, guys. Kantilirang ha bana ba sa Eh? La bilili kai ba mashita ba dlala FIFA dog.
Liverpool ke team ya gamang.
Yeah.
Ke ya gago. Waka. Liverpool 1, FME 0.
Ay, come on, I'm gonna beat you later. What's up, Contori?
Hey, LB, you thought what wrong with him? Hey, come on, LB! Kata awo shapo D-board. Please, let's remember who the predictions were 3-0 and a 3-1. Those were the predictions. Right now, before we go to halftime, it's 2-0. LB 2, D-Bond 0.
No, yeah, like it do. Oh. Beat. Oh, I can lose. Alright, come on.
Yeah, LB without follow with the man.
Anyway.
All right, the game has gone to a halftime.
Haliti si FME engwe. Hakuna ibutuka.
Liverpool 2, Manchester City 0. Leboa 2, D-Bond of FME DJs 0. The predictions 3-0, 3-1. D-Bond, I got host that shot there and go to
Guys, kana kelanta ke tshameka legendary gompieno like
Gaming with Remmogo tournament. We're about to get into the semi-finals. Please note that the semi-finals are going to be played right here on the big screen, all the way to the losers final and the final. So if you know you're in semi-finals, please be on standby. You're coming up next on the big screen with your game.
England,
Hey, mister. Just take your L, dog. Take your L, dog. Ay. O celebrita, bon. O celebrita. 3-0 to LB. Your sports queen on Yarun FM. Also host of the Drive Time Show, LB. 3-0. FME DJs?
Yes.
0. Utaka Peter Basavela guy. LB versus D-Bond, celebrity game drawing to a near end with LB leading. That was a close call. 3-0 is the score. All right, we're gonna advance to the semi-finals of the tournament. Kyoba Sino Debrizi and Lewa. Sino Debrizi, Lewa. Please come and occupy the chairs by the main stage. Sino Debrizi, Lewa. Please come and occupy the chairs by the main stage. And let's begin our semi-finals. Lewa, right here. Main stage. Sino Debrizi, main stage. Hey, that's you.
Yes, sir.
Stay lit, club. Go ahead and occupy the item. Go ahead and occupy the item. Gentlemen, you two know each other.
No, we just met today.
Give each other daps.
Yes, sir.
So you know the rules, right?
Yep.
3 minutes to set up. After that is 3 minutes per half. Please change your settings to legendary.
Okay.
Then let's get started.
All right. Yes, sir.
Technical, go past screen is on.
4 minutes. Ooh, this is right. It's in again. It's off. So you don't increase the time, 4 minutes increase. You don't increase time for setting up. 3 minutes. 3 minutes is too low.
3 minutes is perfect for setup. You guys know, you already know in your head what the setup is. Rockets.
Because I can be there, then he starts setting up.
Yeah.
That's like,
That's
hey,
fine.
that's
Should I
fair.
put it to 4 minutes?
Yes, 4 minutes.
4 minutes is fine. Okay, no problem.
How do you adjust the chair? I have no idea.
there's levels anyway. Just look at it and try to figure it out.
I know, I'll ask him.
Yeah.
I'll ask him. I don't want to ruin it.
Nah, don't fix it. I don't try to fix it. Make it how you want it. Bokang, re kopa controller at the main stage. Bokang, controller main stage.
Bon, you type a code. You type a code. I'm typing a code. Huh? Another thing is, I have two main. So sometimes it's hard. I have two main. A different opponent requires a different one. What I do against you, I won't do it against you.
Fair.
On the response time below. Huh? On the response time below. On the response time below. Because it's far. It's far. Yes, it's far.
But it's mostly because of the bigger screen. Yeah. Well, the screen is different when you're playing on like a smaller monitor.
Yeah.
Now this is like. But it. Don't adjust. Actually, I think that'll be better.
I don't know if they'll agree. I don't know if they'll agree. I don't know if they'll agree. I don't know if they'll agree.
No, they have to agree because one quality is so you can ask them to know how to be a little bit whenever it's done.
Yeah, it's just
Leave will. And it's a man is a man.
Alright, man is a man.
Yeah, way.
Man is a man, bro.
What do I suggest you go
I'm good, bro. You know what? Yeah, let's just. That's my first time playing on the.
Lennon is my first.
Is this happening? Is this happening? Happening?
Team, you have exactly 2 minutes left to do your settings. 2 minutes left to do your settings. T-minus 30 seconds to be complete with your settings. T-minus 30 seconds so we can begin our first game of the semi-finals. 2-1 in the first game of the semifinals. 2-1. Hey, la condotta volo umu, yes. Remember, these are the semifinals. The person that wins this game advances to the final stage, and the person that loses stands a chance to walk away with a third prize at the losers finals of 2,000 Bula plus a TCL 30 smartphone. Again, please remember, the winner of this game is advancing to the finals. The loser is going to battle the loser of the next game at the losers final, where whoever wins the losers final wins themselves 2,000 Pula, a TCL 30 smartphone, and an Orange Connector 5G modem with 1 month internet subscription. The winner of this game advances to the finals, stands a chance to win themselves either the first or the second prize. The second prize is 3,000 Pula, a TCL 30 smartphone, Orange Connector 5G, as well as 1 month subscription. Whereas the winner of this tournament is walking away with 5,000 Pula and a brand new PS5, as well as the Orange Connector 5G modem with 3 month subscription and a TCL 50 smartphone. All the best to our remaining contestants. As we draw closer to the end of the second half, 2-1 is the score. With only extra minutes, congratulations to Liwa, the winner of this semi-final, advancing to the grand finale and a chance to win a brand new PS5 TCL smartphone, as well as 3 months of internet subscription with the Orange Connector 5G. Liwa, congratulations, my man. With that said, can I please see our next contestants on stage? All right, we're going to advance to the second part of our semifinals. Lord Orox versus Hing Ming Leo. That is Lord Orox versus Hing Ming Leo. We still have Celebrity Games in our roster. Hyena's in the building. MC Theo's in the house. William Last KRM is in the building. They're gonna give us curtain callers with the Celebrity Games. Right now, the second part of our semi-finals. Lord Orox, Hing Ming Leo are next for a chance at being either number 1 or number 2. All right, gentlemen.
So set up.
And then the game, 4 minutes as well.
Your 4 minutes has begun.
Yeah, it's a shot.
Gentlemen, you have 2 more minutes remaining to do your settings. 2 minutes remaining before kickoff. Looks like Lord Orox is ready. I guess not. All right, I want to hear predictions. Who do you think is going to win? I want you to hear with your screams in the air. Who thinks Leo's going to win? Who's Team Leo? Who's Team Lord Orox? All right, it looks like we have fair competition. Leo versus Orox. Let's see who takes this one home. Yeah, no, Ramata, who's any prediction now? Prediction. Leo. Leo. That's his prediction. Yeah, he just shake his head. That's his prediction. Eh? That who's any prediction? Papa, I predict who? What versus who?
Leo 2-1.
Leo 2-1. That's one of our predictions. Let's predict.
Leo 3-0.
Leo 3-0. MC Theo, what are your predictions?
Leo is losing 2-0.
MC Theo are Leo is losing 2-0. What are your predictions?
Leo is losing 2-0.
Leo, why do you guys keep mentioning Leo? Right? Leo, apparently you're losing 2-0. What are your predictions?
I think a 3-1 score. I'm not going to say who's going to win or who's going to lose, but I see a 3-1.
3-1. Haizo hor hutlo ho wina manga na hutlo ho lose mang mare 3-1, ne? Lebo dula agere. Poo boy, what are your predictions?
Leo 3-1.
Leo 3-1. Gentlemen, your 4 minutes is over. Can we please commence to the kickoff? Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the semi-final, not to be missed. Hyung Min Leo versus Lord Orox. Let the games begin.